Today, you're going to take the UPAR. Before we show you what you're going to see, let's explain what it is. What is UPAR? UPAR is a tool that will tell us how you like to read. It's going to help us find where your strengths are. UPAR helps us to figure out what kind of reading works best for you. That might be using your eyes, like reading a typical book, using your ears, like listening to an audiobook, or using text-to-speech. That's where a computer reads the text out loud for you and highlights each word. Or it could even be a mixture of both. So why are we taking the UPAR? Well, because everyone learns differently. Knowing and understanding your strengths is important to your success. Today, we want to find out how you like to read and what works best for you. There's no right or wrong way to take the UPAR. Here's how it's going to work. First, you'll read passages as they're read out loud to you. Then, you'll read passages by yourself. After each passage, you'll answer some questions so we can find out how easy it was for you to understand that passage. You will not have to read any more than 5 passages altogether. You can read more if you wish. This is a good way for you to challenge yourself. Everyone will finish at different times. How long it takes is not a reflection of how well you did. There's no good or bad in this. We simply want you to try your best so we can help you to become a better reader. When you are ready to begin, visit the website StartPar.com. When you get there, you'll be asked to log in. Click on your name, or if you don't see your name, you can click on Sign in with Google or with Microsoft. Next, you'll do a sound check. Get your headphones or earbuds ready and plug them in. Press the button that says Test Sound and make sure you can hear the sample recording. You can play around with the voice, speed, and highlight colors to get it just right for you. When you're happy, click the button Yes, I heard it. Next, you need to choose your grade level. Choose the grade that you are currently in. Next, we'll begin with the test instructions. They can be read out loud by clicking on the speaker button next to any text. Pick your favorite story from the list to start, and then you are ready to read. You can pause, play, or choose the speed that's best for you. During the test, you might see a pop-up text box that asks if you want to take a break. Click the buttons to indicate if you're ready to keep going or if you'd like to stop for now. When you're finished, you will be logged out and brought back to the home page where you first started. Please raise your hand if you have any questions at any time, and raise your hand when the computer tells you you're finished. Now it's time to get started. Let's go to StartPar.com and learn what your strengths are.